How to get Fortnite on PC. So hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can download and install Fortnite over on your PC. So let's get started. Alright, so in order to download the Fortnite, first we need to download and install the Epic Games launcher. And for that, simply go to any of your browser, and over there you have to search for Epic Games launcher download. And then you're gonna go to the first given link by Epic Games, which is, you can see, store.epicgames.com. so simply head to that. Now once you head to that, here you can see we have Epic Games launcher for Windows and for Mac. So if you have Mac OS, then you're gonna go for a Mac, otherwise you can simply proceed with the Windows. Now simply click on download Epic Games launcher and it will start downloading. Once the launcher gets downloaded, now you're gonna simply open it up and install it to your computer. Now after installation, Epic Games will download and update, so you have to wait for it until it goes to its latest version. Alright, so we have done with the downloading, and now you can see it's verifying the update. And once all of this gets completed, Epic Games will be open. Now you have to sign in with your account. Now in the case if you don't have any account, so you can just simply create one from here. Now from here, simply scroll down at the very bottom, and here you will find sign up. So simply click on that. Now you have to substitute your details to create an account. First of all, you have to select your date of birth and then click continue. So on second, you have to type your first name, last name, a display name, and an email address and a suitable password for your account. Now simply check these two boxes and hit continue. And after that, you have to verify for the human, so just pick the correct images and click verify. Now once you have done with the verification, now we have to verify our email as well. Now Epic Games will send a verification code to your email address which you have provided before, so you have to type the code over here. Simply go to your email platform, and over there you will have a security code, so you're gonna go and get the code from there and paste it over here. Now our email address is verified and we have successfully logged into Epic Games Store. Now to get the Fortnite, on the top you have a search bar, so you're gonna go and search for Fortnite. and here you can see we have the Fortnite. Now simply click on Get and the Fortnite will be added to your Epic Games Store library. Alright, so here I'm going to sign up with this new account and I'm going to log in with my original account so that you can understand more properly. Alright, so once you click on Get, Fortnite will be available in your library. And here you can see I have this already in my library. So on the left you will find library, so simply click on that. And over here you can see now we have this install option under Fortnite, and once you click on that, it will ask you where to install. Now you have to simply select your directory where you want to install. And click on install. Alright, so you can see on the bottom left we have another option now which is downloads, and once you head to that, from here you can see the progress of Fortnite, like how much it's downloaded and how much is remaining. And once it will get downloaded completely, you can easily launch it from your Epic Games Store. So this is basically how you can get Fortnite over on your PC. And this is it for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching.